Why wait in a drive-thru lineup when you can make your breakfast sandwich cheaper and faster at home? Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen again, and yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make a breakfast sandwich that's cheaper and faster than the drive-thru. So many times I'll be passing by the drive-thru and there's a lineup right around the block. How much time does it really take to make a breakfast sandwich? I'm going to show you. And for this breakfast sandwich, of course, we're going to use good old BC eggs. Always remember that every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get, and 1 large egg, it's only 80 calories. So my biggest tip for you in preparing something like this at home and preparing it efficiently is just to be prepared. Make sure you have the ingredients on hand and they're easily accessible. The greatest accomplishments in the kitchen come from being prepared. So today I'm just going to make a standard English muffin breakfast sandwich. A little bit of ham, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of butter. It's going to be very comparable and taste better than what you're going to get at a fast food restaurant. So close to my toaster oven, I always have a bread basket standing by so I can quickly just take out what I want. We're going to start with that. There's an English muffin. I'm going to put that in the toaster. We'll get that going on. Also by that bread basket, I always have butter. So I just keep things close at hand so it takes less time to prepare things. I know I'm going to need a knife. We're going to get a plate out. From the fridge, I'm going to grab some ham and cheese. I'll have those standing by. Let's fry an egg. So we'll preheat our pan. Make sure you have some lovely BC eggs standing by. I like to use butter for frying my egg. Julia Child would agree, but you can use any kind of fat in the pan you want. This is your opportunity to maybe do something like an extra virgin avocado oil, olive oil, anything like that. We're gonna let that butter melt. By having things at your fingertips, you're gonna be able to prepare things a lot quicker, and you'll see how fast this goes. I'm gonna take one of my lovely BC eggs, a little salt and pepper, I have a flipper standing by. You could do this sunny side up. You could do it over easy. If you're taking it on the road and you don't want that yolk to burst as you're eating it, you can always cook it so the yolk is fully cooked. I'm just gonna flip this over. The other thing you can do is to pop that yolk, so that also helps it become fully cooked a lot quicker too. There's our English muffin. Whoo, hot. Let's grab a little bit of that butter. This is optional. You don't have to do this. This is what they do at the restaurant usually. All right. So on the bottom, I'm going to put a couple slices of ham. These are fairly thin, so I'm going to go with 2. Bacon would be good, but you don't even have to add meat if you don't want to. The protein in the BC eggs are the highest quality protein you can get. Maybe do some roasted red bell pepper on the bottom if you want. I'm going to take that egg and see, now that I popped the yolk, it's fully cooked, and I'm just going to place that on top. Now I'm going to grab some cheese. I'm using slices of cheddar, real cheddar, instead of processed cheese like they would use at a fast food restaurant. Put your top of your English muffin on there, and you have a perfect breakfast sandwich right there in your fingertips. It doesn't take very long. Sometimes when you think about cooking from scratch, you conjure up all these ideas in your head that it's going to take so long. I'll have to get out a pan, I'll have to get out a knife, I'll have to get out a plate. But if you just got busy cooking, you would find that it takes very little time at all, and the results are amazing. Another great addition to this sandwich would be some nice fresh spinach on there. Be creative and enjoy cooking in the comfort of your home. Make sure you check it out, bcegg.com, for a whole bunch of other great recipes, egg tips, and tricks. And this is Chef Des signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?